Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video guys, I have a set of LED bulbs here. They're actually these long type bulbs. They're around 41 millimeters or so. Alright, we're gonna go ahead now and open the trunk lid and install this in the actual trunk light area. So guys, here's my MK7 Jetta 2019 model year. Let's go ahead now and pop open the trunk and install these lights. Alright guys, so here's the actual trunk light. Okay, so to pop it open, just use a plastic trim removal tool so you won't really damage and scratch your paint on your ceiling here of your trunk. Okay, and I believe it's on this side here. You stick in your tool and you pry down your light housing, and there you go. It's very easy. It comes out. Okay, you unplug it like this, the tabs. Okay, and there it is. Wonderful guys. See, it's that kind of bulb, very large size, about 41 millimeters somewhere there. We can go ahead now and uninstall this guys out of the housing. I'll use a metal flathead screwdriver to do so. Alright, with a quick push with a screwdriver, the bulb came out. Okay, so you can see here it's got some kind of indent here. So take a screwdriver and you punch the bulb out from this corner out that way, and the bulb comes out this way. Alright, next up we'll install the new LED bulb. Here's a new LED bulb, some kind of like Japanese Asian company, okay, brand. Says your LED. Apparently they're the brightest this person had. I got it from an Asian mall in the area. Okay, and they're CAN bus for Volkswagen cars, I guess, and general European cars. Alright, we're only gonna need one of them, but they sell a 2-pack. It says here I paid $16 and it's 41 millimeters for you guys, so you know. Okay, take it out, get one bulb out, put this bulb in there too. So guys, here's the bulb. It's about 9 LEDs in it. Okay, the back side, just a nice heat shielding there. Okay, let's go ahead and now install it. Alright guys, we just finished installing this light bulb. Okay, you can see here how the side pins, basically the one here and the one here, had to be bent in quite a lot in order for the actual light bulb to be installed, because the light bulb apparently is too short. It's not quite the full 41 millimeters the packaging says it is. It's more like 35 millimeters. So I had to push these side tabs outwards in order to install it, but it's in now. So guys, now that it's all installed, let's go ahead and install it. You plug in the wire with the mark here facing upwards. Okay, there you go, it turns on. And you push the wiring in, put the housing in, push it off one side, push the other side in, and there you go, it's installed. You guys can see it there now. It looks absolutely amazing. It's so bright white. Perfect. All we used was a plastic trim removal tool, okay, and a flathead screwdriver to remove the old bulb and to help put the new bulb in, and that was it. With the trunk a little bit closed, you can see the illuminance of the actual bulb. It's quite bright and it's absolutely wonderful. So next up, I'll go into a dark garage and show you guys the actual light. So guys, we're now back at home and in my darkened garage. Let's go ahead now and open my trunk. Just look at that guys, look at that. It's only one bulb, it's a big bulb at that. And look how bright and daylight white it illuminates the trunk. Oh my goodness guys. Success is right, and I highly recommend you guys go ahead and do this mod. So there you have it guys, an LED bulb installed in my MK7 Jetta's trunk, and that effectively ends the video. This is Mr. Greek 2002 signing out. Please guys, don't forget to drop a huge like on this video, browse my channel at MK7 Jetta content, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next upload.